get this piece milled, and we obviously have a lot of detail on each side of this piece. So we're going to have to start in flat wax, and if we hide those gems here, turn those off, obviously we have to get the cutter to get into all these bezels for these gems all the way around the piece. So we're looking at starting in flat wax, and we're going to have to finish with a rotary portion for this job. A lot of times you can figure out your strategies as you go simply by the process of elimination. Alright, so let's put the piece in, and it's reading the finger size for me. So we're going to start in flat wax because we have to get the ring done on each side. It'll throw in supports, and then for the center option, if you want to continue with the rotary portion at the end, you're going to have to choose Add Hub. It's going to scoot those hubs, or the supports across the bottom a little bit, so we can fit the rest of the hub in there. And it's setting a 5mm wax size up for me. I have 10 here. I don't have any 5s, so I'll click over to 10. And we don't have any other options for the flat portion, so we'll accept that. Now the center core size is defaulting to 6mm thick, and typically that's fine. A lot of times you don't want to go less than 4mm or more than 8mm if you can help it. And 6 is plenty wide for this. We could even take it down to 5. We'll hit Make Hub. Notice it's going to create these 3 pieces, put them on a certain layer color, and if they are still selected, I'll just throw those into the custom hub box. Now let's check this out. In the through finger view here, we can see that this centering portion of the hub is outside of the piece, and so it's simply being built off of the finger rail. It doesn't know what prongs are here or anything else. And so this is, it's getting questionable, but I think it'll be supported enough that we don't have to worry about this being broken off or flexing too much. So we should be okay. So we'll click Next. See what we get here. Okay, so it looks like it's done. Let's see what we have. We'll just go right down the line. Part 1 is going to mill out the 3 holes for the 3-prong mandrel, the center hub. And so let's just keep on going. This is the flat portion. If we double click, we can get into each subpart just to simply click on each one separately. It's going to mill past the center from each side. Part 3 is going to be on the center hub fixture, and it's going to start putting the notches in for us and the rest of the detail. And then the rotary portion should look just like it's grabbing a hold of your ring, but it's leaving out all the supports. It should completely ignore those at that point and simply mill off anything that's in the way. So that should get the job done very nicely.